Hey everyone, Forrest here, ripping 2020-2021 Panini Prizm Basketball Hobby one box break number 25 random teams. Here are the alphabetized by first name random results. Drop your link in chat again. You can always find these under the results tab of LaytonSportsCards.com. Thanks again everyone for joining. Good luck. Here comes your link one more time. See what we got. Let me check the schedule really quickly. Okay. Okay. Nico Mannion. Rookie there for the Warriors. Jamal Murray, orange wave to 60. Nice one for the Nuggets. Nice Murray. 55 of 60. Got Terry Cummings, Bucks auto. Base. Dude, what is going on with Leighton Robot over on Twitch? Daniel Oturu rookie.
Yesterday.
Silver Chris Middleton Bucks. Red Wave, Penny Hardaway Magic. Steph Curry widescreen. Base. Yeah, the Leighton Robot is a little out of control. Pokashevsky rookie. Hyper Juan Hernan Gomez T-Wolves. Red Langston Galloway Pistons to 299. Steph Curry Fireworks. Base. Then you have Dia rookie. Steph Curry base. Silver Luke Kennard Pistons. Hyper throwback is Kawhi Leonard. Flips. AD throwback. Vassell rookie. Silver Josh Jackson Grizzlies. Red Wave Kelly Oubre Suns. Jamal Murray Fireworks. Base. Two to go on the one football random team case towards the end of the night here. Last spots to fill. Got an Obi Toppin rookie. Precious Achiuwa rookie. And a Bogdan Bogdanovic Hyper Kings. Purple Ice Robert Williams Celtics to 175. Downtown Zion. Kenyon Martin Jr. rookie. Purple Tony Snell to 99. Pistons. And Sixers rookie auto is Tyrese Maxey. There you go, Philly. Not bad. Base. Celtics is Allen L. Trey Jones rookie. Silver Clint Capella. Hawks. Red Wave Lou Dort Thunder. Fearless White Chocolate. Philly. Go Philly. Him S has Philly. Nick Richards rookie. Hyper Rudy Gay. Spurs. Red Kyle Kuzma to 299 Lake Show. LeBron James throwback. You go Lakers. Grant Riller rookie. Silver Joe Ingles, Utah. What's up, Eli? Guy Red Wave Marquise Chris Warriors. John Morant Fireworks. Base. Robert Woodard rookie. Bohm is up. Silver Aaron Gordon Magic. Silver John Morant throwback. Grizzlies got a downtown Giannis. I don't know what OPS plus means.
There's OPS and OPS plus.
Oh, that's good. I'm sure it's a good thing.
Stats that they're up.
Zeke Naji rookie. Hyper LaMarcus Aldridge San Antonio. Red Wave rookie Zeke Naji Nuggets. Dirk Fearless and base. That will do it for the break. Another one boxer coming up. Thanks again, everyone.